If you're having trouble selecting the right cushion shade, why not try out our trial kit before purchasing the red cushion? It contains all 9 shades, making it easier for you to find your perfect match. Here are some tips on finding your shade with the trial kit. Begin by selecting 3 shades that's similar to your skin tone. Next, put a bit of the foundation onto the back of your hand to compare the shade. Take your brush with a slight amount of the chosen shades and apply them onto your face. This will help you determine which color suits you best. Another way to find the right shade is by applying the foundation on your neck and jawline. Once you've found your perfect shade with the trial kit, it's time to get your hands on the red cushion. To purchase TIRTIR products, simply click on the link tree provided in the profile. You'll be directed to our website where you can make your purchase.